Hey little artist! Today, we're going to draw a cute refrigerator with a happy face. Grab your black marker and let's start!
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, draw a big rectangle. This will be the body of our fridge. Now, divide the rectangle into two parts to create the fridge and freezer sections. Draw two small rectangles as handles, one on each section. Add two tiny legs at the bottom to support our fridge. Let's make it extra cute. Draw two round eyes and a smiley mouth on the top part. Great job, everyone! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Whoa! Looking awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Grab your colors. Blue color for the top part.
Wow! La 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 la.
Purple color
La 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 la.
for the bottom part.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Pink color for the handles. Indigo color for the legs. Now, let's make it even cuter. Draw two little heart shapes with light pink color beside our fridge. Outline them with a black marker to make them stand out. Whoa! Look at our adorable refrigerator. It looks amazing. Great job, little artists. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you next time.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.